Hey, hello, it's Miss Schofield here. I'm going to teach you how to simplify fractions. Let's look at the fraction 8 over 12. This fraction is not in its simplest form. So we want to find the number that is the greatest number that can divide evenly into 8 and 12. So we're looking what's called the greatest common factor. All right, also abbreviated GCF. So when we find the greatest common factor, we have to list the factors of these two numbers. So we're going to list the factors of 8 and 12. And just a refresher, factors are the two numbers that you multiply together, or three numbers. It's just the multiple numbers that you multiply to get the product. So in this particular sentence equation, you've got 2 and 4. These are your factors. And here 8, this is your product. Okay, so for us to do this process of simplifying our fraction, we need to first find the factors. So the factors of 8 are 1 and 8 and 2 and 4. The factors of 12 are 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So we have our factors right now of 12 and 8. Which one is the greatest? Which number is the biggest? They share 1 and 2, but 4 is the biggest one. So that's their greatest common factor. So what we're going to do is we are going to divide our numerator and denominator by that number. So 4 over 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times, and it goes into 12 3 times. And this is 8/12 in simplest form. So let's try another one using the number 24. Let's use the number 24 36. Okay, so we need to find the GCF, the greatest common factor for 24 and 36. So for 24, 1 and 24, 1 times 24. Then 2, we know 2 times 12 is 24. And then 3, does 3 go into 24? It does. 3 times 8. And 4, we know that 4 times 6. And 7, no. 5, no. So these are the factors here of 24. Now what about 36? I'm going to give myself a little more room. I ran out of room there. 1 and 36. And then 2 and 18. And then 3, does 3 go into 36? 3 goes into 36 12 times. 3 times 12. What about 4? 4 times 9. What about 5? No 5. What about 6? Yes, 6 times 6. And you just list one right there. So these are the factors of 36 and 24. So which one is the greatest common factor that they share? Look through the list and see which one is the greatest common factor. Well, the greatest common factor that I see is 12 and 12. So what that means is that we can divide them by 12. And 12, the numerator and denominator by 12, okay? So we know that 12 goes into 36. How many times? What times 12 equals 36? Well, it says here, look, 12 times 3, right? We got 12 times 3. This was its little pair. It matched up with it right there. So you know that this is going to equal 3. And then what times 12 goes into 24 2 times? So 12 times 2, because we have our little pair there, that equals 2. And look, this is interesting because this is similar to what we did before, and this is your simplest form, right? So if we're talking about 2/3, 2/3 has many equivalent fractions. It has 8/12. It also has, look, 24/36. So these are all called equivalent. These are equivalent fractions, right? But they do need to be simplified. So this is what we did today. So we simplified, we brought them back down to their original simplest form of 2/3, and we did that by finding the greatest common factor. Okay, so now it's your turn to give it a try. So I would like you to simplify the fraction 9/12 and 6/24. Good luck.